Hello everyone, welcome to my food channel. This is Anagha and in this video I'll be showing you how to make an egg pulsu. Egg pulsu is quite popular in the southern part of India. This is spicy, tangy and full of flavors. So let's watch how to make this, and if you have liked it, do hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos, do subscribe. Let's watch how to make an egg pulsu. Add oil. Add jeera. Add green chilies. Add coriander leaves. Add onions. Add ginger garlic paste. Add turmeric, red chili powder, coriander powder, add tamarind extract, salt, add oil to the pan, split eggs, turmeric, chili powder, so these eggs are fried. Add these fried eggs. Add a spoon of sugar. You can use jaggery in case if you have. Add coriander leaves. And let this get cooked for 5 to 10 minutes. So the pulsu is almost done. I'll switch off the flame and then serve in a bowl. So here the egg pulsu is ready, and if you have liked it, do hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos, do subscribe. Thank you.